polished, wax, clay barred, some other stuff we did to it. Trunk cleaned out. Side cleaned up. Good to go. Another windy day. Crazy weather we've been having. No wind, no rain, wind, and supposed to rain later on today, I guess. But I've been hearing anyway. I don't think Mother Nature knows what she's doing right now. Throwing everybody for a loop. Clean there the hood. Turned out pretty good. Don't mind the towels, something to put my feet on. Well, that's it. This one done for today. Take a break for the weekend. Easter. Not much going on. Just take a little break. A little family time, I guess, as they call it, they say. Shiny. Little hot rod dually still looking good. Got it back. It's ready to go. Had new tires put on it, so it's ready to go. Alright. You know what to do. All the fun stuff. Hit the like button. Subscribe. Tell me what you think, or I don't know. We'll figure it out. Have a good Easter, everyone. Bye.